Dana, I am so excited about this project, and we'll do this trim I have that you helped me find. I love this so much. It's going to be amazing. Every order starts with customer service. Jessica Duce here, and today I'm at Eastern Accents watching my custom order being made. My first stop, the cutting department with Yagoda. Doesn't even need this. It's perfect. And I got to shop for trims. Let's try this and this. Afterwards, we serge the fabric so it looks its best forever. Embroidering my custom monogram was an amazing experience. And watching the laser cutter work, it's magic. Time to sew it all together. Thank you. That's my dog's name. I chose a feather blend pillow insert made right here in Chicago, where it's packed, shipped, and arrives at its best. Oh my gosh. Along the way, we witnessed Ella hand painting. So beautiful. It's gorgeous. And Ian building benches and upholstering them. But nothing compares to the big reveal.
All right, Mala, watch out. Here we go. Oh my gosh, it's even better than I thought it would be. How amazing is that color with this? I love it.